following objectives for Module 5 by Dr. Bev Knox, entitled Attraction, Love, and Communication. The psychology of love and attraction explores why people form emotional bonds and feel drawn to each other. It encompasses a range of factors, from basic biological and evolutionary influences to social and psychological elements that shape our preferences and connections. Here are the key aspects of a psychology of love and attraction. First, there are biological and evolutionary influences. Evolutionary psychology suggests that certain physical traits, like facial symmetry and indicators of health and fertility, can be attractive due to their association with reproductive success. Next, there are social factors. First is proximity. Social psychology researchers suggest that repeated exposure to someone, even without conscious effort, can increase attraction. Then there is similarity. This is when people tend to be drawn to those who share similar values, interests, and backgrounds, as it provides validation and reinforcement. Next is reciprocity, when feeling that someone likes you back can significantly increase your attraction to them. Then there is the issue of familiarity, when comfort and predictability can make someone more attractive due to the mere exposure effect. Next are psychological factors. First being intimacy, when sharing personal details and emotions fosters deeper connections with those involved. Second is passion. This is when physical attraction and sexual chemistry play a role in initial attraction and can lead to strong emotions. And third, commitment. This is the decision to dedicate oneself to a relationship, and when working through challenges together, can contribute to enduring love. In Sternberg's triangular theory of love, this theory proposes that love is composed of intimacy, passion, and commitment, and that the combination of these components can create different types of love. When regarding love and the brain chemicals like dopamine, oxytocin, and serotonin play a role in the experience of love, influencing feelings of pleasure, bonding, and attachment. We will also review relationship stages. Attraction can evolve through different stages, from initial interest to having a deeper connection, as highlighted in the phases of courtship. Upon completion of this lecture, the student should be able to identify various theories of love, recognize the stages of self-disclosure, and explain effective communication skills to improve interpersonal relationships.
Please be advised, this is an educational, academically sound psychology course by Dr. Bev Knox for adult student learners. Lecture content include discussions and representations of human sexuality, theoretical perspectives on sexuality, sex research, sexual anatomy, sex hormones, sexual arousal, attraction and love theories, gender and sexuality, sexual orientation, variations in sexual behavior, sexual coercion, sex for sale, sexual disorders, and sex therapy, ethics and religion on sexuality, and sex laws. Before beginning the course, please be mindful of your capacity to witness and respond to videos, books, and images of this content material.